Good morning, friends. This is Miss Tamara. Today we are going to talk about making new friends in kindergarten. I know when you guys came to preschool, it was pretty scary. Well, when you go to kindergarten, you have to make new friends all over again. Do you remember what we taught you here at preschool? What we can do when we want to play with our friends? We can walk up to them and say, "Hi, I'm Miss Tamara. Can I play with you?" But wonder if your friend is playing with a toy, but you want to play with it because you don't want to play with your baby doll anymore. What could we do? Right, we could take turns. You could walk up and say, "Hi, can I have a turn with that toy?" What else can we do? Right, you could say, "Hi, Mom, Miss Tamara, can I play with you?" What else? There's one more thing. Do you remember what that one thing is? Right, you could say, "Hi, I'm Miss Tamara. I have this truck, but I really want to play with that doll. Could I have a turn with it and you can play with this truck?" Very good. Well, today we are going to look at this picture. Can you see it? Okay, here are Caleb and Scott. Right here is Caleb and Scott. They are reading a book together in the classroom. This is Javon. He wants to join the boys. What do you think Javon can do to join in with the boys? You think he could walk over and ask them if he can play too? Right, that's a very good idea. While Javon is thinking about how to join in, Caleb noticed he looks interested in reading with them. Do you think Caleb should invite Javon to join them? Yes, very good. What can Caleb say to Javon to join them? Do you want to come read with us? Come read with us. Come join us. If you had the same ideas, can you wiggle your fingers? Very good. Caleb goes over to Javon and invites him to read with him. In a friendly voice, he says, "Hi, I'm Caleb. Do you want to read with us?" Javon smiles and said, "Yes." Then he meets Scott and they read more books together. How do you think being invited to read makes Javon feel? Do you think it made him sad? No. What about happy? Do you think he was happy? Yes, that's right. He was very happy. He was so excited that they asked him to play. Javon has fun reading with his new friends. Asking to join in and inviting someone to play are good ways to make new friends in kindergarten. So remember, when you go to kindergarten, if you see your friends playing, walk up to them and introduce yourself. Tell them, say, "Hi, I am Miss Tamara," or "Hi, I am Miss Sarah." I think your friends would really like it. And if you get nervous, remember that your friends might be nervous too, because going to a new school can be scary. But being nice to friends and asking to play will make it so much easier on you and your friends. Now, for our activity today, can you draw a picture of a time that you were nervous? And if you want, you can send it to your teacher to see what they say, or you can post it in the comments below. Thank you. Have a good day.